Because extended class structures can get confusing, Visual Studio offers the Class View and Object Browser windows. These windows allow you to see a visualization of class structures. To begin this lesson, open the StableBase project from your Sample Files folder. Now display the Class View window by clicking View, Class View. If this option isn't available, you are probably not running in Expert Settings mode. You should have enabled Expert Settings in Session 1 of the Essential Skills course in this series. To switch to Expert Settings, click Tools, Settings, Expert Settings. After enabling Expert Settings, the Class View option will be available in the View menu. The Class View window appears in the same area as the Solution Explorer. You're going to use it now to examine the Red Grid View class. First, expand StableBase in the Class View window. Then expand the StableBase namespace and click Red Grid View in the expanded list. In the bottom half of the Class View window, you can see the Apply Formatting method from the Red Grid View class. This area shows all of the methods and properties of the class that you have selected. Now expand Red Grid View and expand Base Types. The Base Types list shows you that the Red Grid View class extends the Extended Grid View class and implements the iColored Grid View interface. Expand Extended Grid View now, and you can see that the Extended Grid View class extends the Grid View class. You can use the Class View window to quickly jump to the relevant code of each class. Right-click on Extended Grid View in the Class View window and click Go to Definition from the shortcut menu. The Extended Grid View class is shown in the main Visual Studio window. The .NET framework is essentially a tree structure of classes that extend one another. All classes in the .NET framework can be traced back to the object class. It's for this reason that every object can be cast to the object type. Casting to the object type is covered in Session 5 of the Essential Skills course in this series. The Class View window can be cumbersome to work with, since it will always list every class in the project. To make it easier to use, you can create a custom folder that contains only the classes that you are interested in. To do this, click the New Folder button at the top of the Class View window, and a new folder appears ready for you to name it. Type Colored Grid Views and press Enter. Your new folder is now ready to use. Click and drag the Red Grid View class into the new Colored Grid Views folder. A reference to the StableBase.RedGridView class is added to the folder. Note that the class hasn't actually been moved or changed in any way. Class view folders are only shortcuts for your convenience. Next, click and drag the Blue Grid View class into the Colored Grid Views folder. The Colored Grid Views folder now enables easy access to your two custom grid view classes. Return to the Solution Explorer now by clicking the Solution Explorer tab beneath the Class View window. Close Visual Studio and you've now completed Lesson 5.8. Use the Class View window.